as we get ready to hose down the track to keep this track from boiling up from all the heat. And the O'Reilly saying you are looking at none other than Hypersonic Funny Car. This is Barry Richter's Hypersonic Jet Funny Car. No stranger here at Route 66 Raceway. His career way back in the 60s at Great Lakes Dragway when he nearly turned that place around with one of his other jet dragsters. So after 1990, Danny said, I want to build my own. So he did. That's on the Toyota side, the Chicago Rush Jet Dragster. Had a flame out last time around and front wheel and shoots right off the back of the car. You don't care, I got another one. So we assembled that real quick, put everything together, and let's go. That's a racetrack computer.